I'm definitely a big dreamer. I always wanted to have my own business. I just didn't know in what area specifically. When it came to AI, it was not only enjoyable, but it felt like something that I was passionate about, excited about, something that I could apply to the future. I would say that a lot of the content on the course was very much a lot of what I see in industry now. It actually taught me how to really be adaptable, but also how to access that help when you need to. And then even outside of that, then you've got your lecturers who are always willing. Mabruka is full of so much empowerment. She encourages you to bring out like the best of you, to bring out your gifts, and she also just believes in you, which it really helps as well to have kind of that support system behind you. I always wanted to have my own business. I always had the passion to give back home, as I'm originally from Malawi. It would definitely be something AI, and it would definitely be in Africa and the African market. For me, I just believe that learning never stops. Even with business, I'm still learning. I've never had it all figured out, and I've just never been afraid of kind of adapting and changing and trying new things. There's no experience that's ever wasted, so just try and don't give up.